to operate precision machinery, read blueprints and working drawings, read precision tools, and make interchanging machine parts that are used all over the world.
Being in this class is a great opportunity to get a job right after high school. For those who don't want to go to college or you just want to go straight to work right after college, I would say that this class is a really good class to do that.
This year, Mr. Paulino's Precision Machining and Technology class, we competed in Skills USA Job Exhibit and Speed Skills Contest. I got third place in the Speed Skills Contest along with Best of Show in the Job Exhibit. Bruce got second place in the Speed Contest. And Carlos got first and advanced to state where he competed and got second place. And Skills USA is fun because it teaches us about the workforce and open our eyes to other jobs in the industry and just allows us to go meet people and experiment with what we want to do after high school.
USA is a national leadership association that works with students, teachers, and industry to ensure that America maintains a skilled workforce. Our Western Stark Precision Machining students compete in Skills USA at multiple events throughout the year, district and state competition, and we bring back numerous ribbons, trophies, and awards back to our school. Precision machining program has become a pool for industry to dip out of when they need young apprentices to enter the workforce.